Hello, welcome to our channel for R programming. In this video, we will talk about using spread function of dplyr to spread data across multiple columns in R. So we know dplyr is a package that belongs to tidyverse framework. So tidyverse use pipe structure which makes it available to chain multiple functions together. And one of the functions called spread is used to spread the values of one or several columns to put these values in the new data frame as the columns label. So this is also called to transform the long form data to the wide form. So the basic form of the function is the spread data frame, and the key is the columns which we will transform their values to become columns, and the value is the values where we'll fill as the new values. So we will show examples in RStudio, so which may be more straightforward. So first we have to load library tidyverse. So if you have not installed tidyverse, you have just installed dplyr, it's also okay, just load library dplyr. So we first create a data frame called df1. So you can see the data frame is quite simple. There are 3 columns: type, answer, and n. So next, we will use the values yes or no from answer column and transform these values to the column in the new data frame. And we will take the values in the new data frame as the value. So we can just write df2 is the new data frame, and this is the current data frame passed. So this is the pipeline passed to the filter function, because we do not want to use missing value. So NA is the missing value, not available. So we just choose not missing values in the filter function. Then the result passed further to the spread function. And here we use the key is the answer, this column, and the value is the n. So which means key's value, the answer's value, will become the new labels in the new data frame. So it's done, and we show the new data frame. So now it's quite clear. The no, yes in the new data frame is the labels, and actually these 2 labels in old data frame, actually they are the column value, right? And here the values, the new data frame, also the values in old data frame. So next example, we will show spread function can also spread multiple columns. So here we create a data frame first. So data frame has 4 columns: player, year, state, and amount. Let's say we want to spread a function to turn the 4 unique values in the state column into 4 new columns. So you can see we just write spread df2. So we do not use pipeline because in tidyverse or dplyr, you can also just passing the data frame here. So spread df2 and key is the state stat. There are multiple values, and value is the amount. So which means the values of this column will become the column labels in the new data frame in the result. And we'll keep the values of these columns. So we'll show how it is going. So now there are 4 columns in the resulting data frame. Actually, their labels were values from the old data frame, right? And their values, corresponding values, same as the values from old data frame. So this is called a wide form, and this form is called long form data. So split function is just to transform the long form to the wide form, and actually it is the opposite operation of another function called gather from dplyr, which transforms from the wider form to the long form. Thanks for watching.